Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss quadratic equations, exercise 5.1, problem number 2. In the previous video, we have seen the given equations are quadratic equations or not. In this session, we are going to discuss the given situations. We need to write quadratic equations. Dear students, don't skip the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you did not watch the previous video, then do watch the previous video by clicking this I button, as well as you can go with playlist also. Question number 2. It is the second bit of the exercise 5.1. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. So we need to write just quadratic equation. We need to form the quadratic equations. So the situations are given. First question. So the area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So just for this problem, for this situation, we need to write quadratic equation. Just we need to form the equation. So see the solution. So what is given first here? The length of the rectangular plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth it is given. So 1 meter more than twice. Twice means double. Double its breadth it is given. Breadth we don't know first of all. So we don't know the breadth means we need to take that breadth I am taking as a x. One variable I am taking, that is x. Let breadth of the rectangular plot equal x meters I am taking. Now length you have to take. Length of the rectangular plot, we can get 1 meter more than. 1 meter more than means plus 1. Twice its breadth. Breadth what we took here? X we took. Twice means we need to multiply with 2. Means 2x in 2 into x plus 1. That equal 2x plus 1. So here length we know. Breadth also we got it. Now here it is given area of the rectangular plot it is given. Area of the rectangular plot equal 528 meters square. So what is the area of the rectangle? That is length into breadth. L into B equal 528. So L means here length. Length it is we took here 2x plus 1. Breadth here we got it x equal 528. So now here LHS 2x plus 1 into x is there. So we need to multiply 2x into x, 2x square plus 1 into x, x equal 528. This constant one you have to transpose to left. We are getting equal to 0, we are getting 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. So what is the general form of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is of the form 2x square plus x, 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0 is like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is we got here the quadratic equation. Now second solution. Second bit in second question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. We need to write the quadratic equation. Just we need to form the quadratic equation. So here what is the clue here for what is given? Product. Product means we need to multiply the two consecutive integers. One we have to multiply. So we don't know the consecutive positive integers. So that one consecutive means that is the serial numbers. 1, 2, 10, 11 like that. Consecutive means serial numbers. So see the solution. Second solution. Let two consecutive positive integers equal x comma x plus 1. I am taking x and x plus 1. So here product also it is given now. So that one you have to write it. Product of two consecutive positive integers equal, here it is given by 306 it is given. Product means we need to take the multiplication. So two consecutive integers here x and x plus 1. So x into x plus 1 equal 306. Now we have to multiply x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus x into 1, x equal 306. This 306 you can transpose to left. X square plus x minus 306 equal to 0. So this equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is the general form of the quadratic equation. So we got the quadratic equation. This is about second bit in first and second questions. Please support me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.